burst out laughing. It's just like like a blink sound, like ding, ding.
Just a record scratch.
Yeah, or like a blink sound or something. Be like, excuse me.
Ooh, good. Yes,
Like,
these are things I need.
It doesn't have to be funny. It just like could add to the silence.
The silence. Yeah. See, I like that. I like that because that happens sometimes.
Because there is artistic intent sometimes with just silence.
Yes.
Like silence can be an artistic tool.
Yes. Yeah. These are things that I like. Just getting things back.